everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Michelle with Creative Operation, and I just wanted to share with you a project that I made that was super fun and really quick, and I just thought you would enjoy it. And I'll talk through it. There's not really a tutorial, but I'll talk through it and I'll tell you how I did it. Really easy. I have bought these before. These are doilies, heart doilies that I got from Target, and I bought these last year and I used them in a couple of my projects for Valentine's Day. They are amazing, and it's a great deal. It's $5, 50 hearts, and they're not like doilies. They're like cardstock type. They're nice quality paper, and they work really well. You get 3 different sizes, 50 in all. It's great. So if you have a Target out there, go to your Target right now. They come out for Valentine's Day. I went and got some. I'm probably going to go get some more. But I love these things, and I used a lot of them in some projects last year, and then, you know, they go away after Valentine's Day. So anyways, really cool at Target. Go get some. I decided to do a project with them because I was like looking at them going, I could make this into an album, and I did. So I want to show you what I did. So I just was kind of like looking around. I've been to like Target, I've been to Dollar Tree, I've been to, you know, Michael's. I've been kind of picking up little odds and ends, and I kind of mashed them all together. So like these hearts came from the Dollar Tree, and they're just little wooden hearts. They came in a big package, and they had different sizes and everything. I picked them up. They were super easy to punch a hole in using, let me get it for you so you can see, my We Are Memory Keepers punch. And I just punched a 3/16 inch hole in them. It worked great. I mean, just like they were butter. And made little charms for around my book rings here. The heart here, the glitter heart, that came from Michael's, and it came in a pack of different sizes of glitter hearts. And when I first saw this kind of frame one, I immediately thought shaker. So I created a shaker with that using foam tape, and then just put some bits and pieces in there. And then I layered a doily, the white doily, on top of a red doily. And then with the holes that were already present, that's where I bound it with a book ring. And then I bound it over here with some seam binding from Country Craft Creations and created the closure for my book. And it just turned out really well. So I ended up, it is paper, and I wanted it to be, and it's really good paper, guys. It's really thick paper. But I did go ahead, and on the red hearts, I did double it up. So I did use 2 per page, and I just glued them together. And then, so once you open it up, then this is what you get. So on the inside cover, I thought I would just layer the heart doilies and be done with it. And then you could write, you know, like a small little message to your Valentine or whatever. And ta-da, right? You got an inside cover. And then on the big pages here, I'll go through and I'll talk about it. I created faux Polaroids, and the Polaroid here measures, the white cardstock is 3.5 wide by 4.25 tall, and the black is 3 by 3. So you could put a nice size picture there. And then when I glued them down, I only glued on 2 sides because then I wanted to use these die cuts. And these die cuts were from Michael's. They came in a pack with a variety of sizes. And I thought this was really cute because you could tuck it behind, and then you could write something about the picture on there, or a little message to the recipient, whatever you wanted to do. I had stickers, and I forget where these came from. I am so sorry, but these were in my stash forever and ever and ever, and I just thought, well, I'm going to label my Polaroids, and there you go. So page 2. On the back of page 2, I did try to, because there's holes in the doilies, I tried to match it so that you didn't, you know, like, they weren't off. They kind of match on where they're placed. That's not what I'm trying to say. Don't even know. Anyway, so I just did the Polaroids there. I did another sticker here. And then behind this one, these are cute little 4x4 cards that Michael's had. And I thought that would be a great thing to kind of tuck back there. It not only gives a pop of color, but it also gives a lot of room to write a message or whatever. Then I decided to double up a couple of the white doilies and then just put a smaller photo frame here with some of those wood hearts. And I did it so that you could actually, you know, tuck a picture behind. So it totally works. These photo frames, I want to say are 2 3/4 by 2 3/4, but let me measure real quick just to check. And yes, they are 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. So you have kind of little mini pages in between using those heart doilies. And I just love how this turned out. So again, more, and I'll just flip through this now because basically it just repeats. But that's what I did. This thing holds a ton of pictures. I just love how it turned out. And the dimension with the little wood hearts, I mean, dollar store, you can't beat that, right? Every picture has something behind it, so you could do some journaling. You could even, you know, do heart-shaped pictures in here if you wanted to. I mean, there's so many things that you could do. It's just crazy. So yeah, I just wanted to share this idea with you. I just thought it was fun, and it, you know, it was just something that was really quick and easy to do. Made a great little Valentine's Day album, and just, you know, was great. But mostly what I need you to know is you need to go to Target and you need to get these doilies, because I'm telling you what, they're amazing. They're really awesome. And like I said, I am probably going to go back and get some more, because you just can't beat what you get in this package. It's just crazy. Really good quality paper. All right, so that's what I just wanted to show you tonight. This cute little heart doily album that I made using bunches of random things that I threw together from a variety of sources. And I ended up with a very, very cute Valentine's Day album. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you again soon with another video. Talk to you later. Bye.